A crisis is unplanned. You never know when it's going to hit. Crisis is no respecter of persons. It can be a child, it can be an adult, it can be a senior, it could be a veteran, it could be a marriage.
So this house had no air conditioner and no electricity, and it was cooking in here.
I get called a lot of times when the crisis hits. My favorite definition for crisis is destabilization.
This has been a major catastrophe that nobody expected. And they're having to live through it right now. They're displaced from their homes. Many have lost their jobs. Many are going to lose their business. It's going to be like COVID, but in a much stronger way, much long term.
My husband and I are survivors of 2 storms. Unfortunately, they came back to back. It was like we were in a war zone. It was like this place has been bombed. I can't express it. I had a candle in the window, and it was, I just kept it burning, and
You can see where the water
yeah.
pretty much went up to here, it looks like, right?
Yes. There's nothing to compare it to. I mean, it's water touched everything. It's like you can go back to yesterday really quick. I don't have anything like that anymore. So I feel it hurts me very much.
My son had a gift. He loved people, he loved life. The last girlfriend he had, unfortunately, one day she pushed him off the roof of one of my condo buildings. It was a day I'll never forget, that's for sure. It took me probably 2 months before I could even get out of the house. Thank God I had Terry Collier in my life, and he was there for me. Crisis Connect has a gift of healing and dealing with grief.
A child that is born with a diagnosis will determine a lifetime of destabilization.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Vogel. I am a single mom of a 20-year-old daughter named Cheyenne. Cheyenne was born with a kidney blockage, her right kidney, developmentally delayed, and juvenile rheumatoid arthritis. Physically, she's 20, but mentally, she's like a 5 or 6-year-old. She was always waking up in excruciating pain. I, as a single mom, cannot work because she does have therapies going on 4 times a week right now. The bills roll in so fast. When David came into our lives, he brought a lot of those resources. And if he could not help, he brought in other resources like Crisis Connect. I seriously don't know what I would have done without you guys.
Everybody we talk to, our commitment is we're going to help you until the day you're done. We're going to be here for you.